Video opens. Is the pound about to pounce or plummet? Welcome to your weekly market breakdown. We're looking at the GBPUSD currency pair, and right now, traders are fiercely divided on its next move. Let's cut through the noise and see what the charts are telling us. First, let's look at the case for the bulls. Some analysts are looking at the bigger picture, pointing to a strong rising support line that has held up for weeks. Price is currently testing this critical area. They see the recent dip as a buying opportunity, with the pair entering a key demand zone between 1.34 and 1.35. The argument here is that this zone will hold, triggering a bounce and a potential rally back up towards the 1.3650 mark. They are anticipating a reversal and a continuation of the overall bullish trend. However, the bears are telling a completely different story. They are focused on the powerful downward momentum we've seen over the last week. The price has broken through several recent support levels, and on the lower time frames, a clear downtrend is in place. Fundamentally, concerns about the UK's economic growth combined with a strong US dollar are adding fuel to the fire. Sellers are looking for this bearish pressure to continue, aiming for a breakdown below the current support and targeting levels around 1.34 or even 1.3350. So, we have a classic technical standoff. The bulls are defending a major long-term support level, while the bears are riding a wave of strong short-term momentum. What could be the tiebreaker? The answer likely lies in next week's economic calendar. It's packed with high-impact U.S. data, including the latest inflation numbers from the CPI and PPI reports, as well as crucial retail sales figures. These releases are guaranteed to bring volatility into the market. Strong U.S. data could strengthen the dollar and give the bears the push they need to break support. Weaker data, however, might give the bulls the ammunition to defend their line and stage a rally. So, let's summarize the key takeaways. The battleground for GBPUSD is clearly drawn. The bulls are watching for a bounce from the major support zone around 1.34 to 1.35. The bears are looking for a decisive break below this area to continue the downtrend. The upcoming week is critical. This isn't just a technical tug-of-war. It's about to be hit with a wave of fundamental news. Keep those key levels on your chart and trade smart.